Today we will learn the letter A.
A makes the sound A.
Apple, ant, aeroplane.
Repeat. A, apple, ant, aeroplane.
Next is B.
B makes the sound B.
Ball, banana, butterfly.
Repeat. B, ball, banana, butterfly.
Here is C.
C says K.
Cat, car, cup.
Repeat. C, K, cat, car, cup.
Now D.
D says D.
Dog, drum, duck.
Repeat. D, dog, drum, duck.
This is E.
E says
Egg, elephant, engine.
Repeat. E, egg, elephant, engine.
Next, letter F.
F makes F.
Fan, fish, frog.
Repeat. F, fan, fish, frog.
This is G.
G says G.
Grapes, goat, gift.
Repeat. G, grapes, goat, gift.
Here is H.
H says H.
Hat, house, helicopter.
Repeat. H, hat, house, helicopter.
This is I.
I says I.
Ice cream, ink, igloo.
Repeat. I, ice cream, ink, igloo.
Now J.
J says J.
Jug, jam, jeans.
Repeat. J, jug, jam, jeans.
Here is K.
K says K.
Kite, key, king.
Repeat. K, kite, key, king.
Next, letter L.
L says L.
Lion, leaf, lamp.
Repeat. L, lion, leaf, lamp.
This is M.
M says
Mango, monkey, moon.
Repeat. M, mango, monkey, moon.
Here is N.
N says
Nest, nose, net.
Repeat. N, nest, nose, net.
Now O.
O says ah.
Orange, owl, ostrich.
Repeat. O, orange, owl, ostrich.
This is P.
P says P.
Parrot, pen, pig.
Repeat. P, parrot, pen, pig.
Next is Q.
Q says qu.
Queen, quilt, quail.
Repeat. Q, queen, quilt, quail.
This is R.
R says
Rabbit, rose, ring.
Repeat. R, rabbit, rose, ring.
Here is S.
S says
Sun, snake, star.
Repeat. S, sun, snake, star.
Next is T.
T says T.
Tiger, tree, train.
Repeat. T, tiger, tree, train.
This is U.
U says
Umbrella, unicorn, utensil.
Repeat. U, umbrella, unicorn, utensil.
Now V.
V says v.
Van, vase, violin.
Repeat. V, van, vase, violin.
This is W.
W says w.
Watch, watermelon, window.
Repeat. W, w. Watch, watermelon, window.
Next is X.
X says x.
Xylophone, box, fox.
Repeat. X, x. Xylophone, box, fox.
Here is Y.
Y says y.
Yak, yo-yo, yellow.
Repeat. Y, y, yak, yo-yo, yellow.
Finally, Z.
Z says z.
Zebra, zip, zoo.
Repeat. Z, z, zebra, zip, zoo.